Perched on the edge of an ancient volcanic caldera in the Byron Bay hinterland is Coolamon House, with a design that prioritizes breathtaking views and the creation of weather-protected spaces. The house is planned around an oasis courtyard to create a protected garden at its core, with a transparent outer shell to allow visual immersion in the vast surrounding landscape. The site's breathtaking hinterland and coastal views deserve a remarkable home, created with a palette of quality materials. Brass, concrete, and local blackbutt were chosen for their graceful weathering processes, each requiring a high level of detailing to celebrate their rawness and simplicity. A key factor in DFJ Architects' design was the elevated position of the site. Its prevailing northerly winds render outdoor spaces effectively unusable during the summer months. To counter this, the layout of the house revolves around a central courtyard, creating an open yet protected outdoor space with a pool area at the rear. Views are captured across its landscaped green heart, with private spaces concealed behind hardwood cladding. Captured glimpses through the courtyard itself celebrate the public heart of the home, with private spaces concealed behind blackbutt cladding. Further outdoor space, with direct access to the property and its views, was tucked alongside the more sheltered eastern edge of the house. From outside, the house elegantly cantilevers over the edge of the escarpment, resulting in a light and elegant architectural touch. Shrubs have even been planted below the overhang to make the building appear like it's floating once they grow. The transparent outer shell shields against the elements while providing complete visual immersion in the expansive landscape beyond. The two guest suites can be accessed via a covered path around the courtyard perimeter. In this way, the courtyard serves to both divide and connect the different functions. The property's history as a banana farm caused massive degradation to the land, and large-scale regeneration was undertaken as part of the project. This not only creates an environment to be enjoyed from within, but will see the house eventually nestle in amongst a canopy of vegetation, protecting the view back towards the escarpment. The concrete slab, tapering from 275 millimeters to 150 millimeters at the cantilevered edge, appears to float above the vegetation below. The garage, storage room, office, and guest parking are located off the driveway, allowing residents and guests to leave the world behind as they approach the house on foot, taking in the expansive views.